Now next we shall consider the example on complex roots. So the equations which are given is y double dash t plus 2 y dash t plus 17 y is equal to 34, and the initial conditions are y0 is equal to 3 and y dash 0 is equal to 11. So these are the two initial conditions. So we have to solve this problem. So for getting yc, we have to consider yt is equal to a e to the power rt, then y dash is equal to a r e to the power rt, y double dash is equal to a r square e to the power rt. Then considering the homogeneous equation, we can write a r square e to the power rt plus 2 a r e to the power rt plus 17 a e to the power rt is equal to 0. So we are considering the homogeneous equation, homogeneous second order differential equation. So we have to put a 0 here. So then by taking a e to the power rt common within the bracket, we will get r square plus 2r plus 17 is equal to 0. Then if this is not equal to 0, this should be equal to 0. Then r square plus 2r plus 17 is equal to 0. Now by applying the Sridharacharya, we are getting r1 comma r2 is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square minus 4ac. So 4 into 17 divided by 2. So 2. So from here we are getting minus 2 plus minus within root 4 minus 68 divided by 2. So from here we are getting minus 2 plus minus 64 divided by 2. So minus 2 plus minus, now root 64 is equal to 8. So there is root over minus 1. So this is 8 into I, where I is equal to root over minus 1. So we can write in place of root over minus 64, we can write 8i. So we will have minus 2 plus minus 8i in the numerator, and the denominator we have 2. So from here we are getting minus 1 plus minus 4i. So we are getting the two complex roots. r1 is equal to minus 1 plus 4i and r2 is equal to minus 1 minus 4i. So this is a case of complex root. So then we have to find out yc accordingly. So yc is equal to e to the power ht. So if this is h, this minus 1 is equal to h, and v is equal to 4, so this is v. So then e to the power ht. So e to the power ht means e to the power minus 1 into t. So e to the power minus 1t, so that is e to the power minus t. So then within the bracket a5, then cos vt. Now v is 4 here. So cos 4t plus a6 sin 4t. So this is our yc. And what is yp? Yp is equal to 34 divided by 17. So 34 divided by 17. So that is equal to 2. So the complete solution is yt is equal to e to the power minus t a5 cos 4t plus a6 sin 4t plus 2. Now we have to use the initial conditions to get the specific values of a5 and a4, and therefore we will get the specific solution of the second order differential equation. So first we are considering the first initial condition. So y0 is equal to 3. So y0 is equal to 3 y0 is equal to e to the power minus 0, so that is equal to 1. So then a5, then in place of t we are putting 0. What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. So we are getting a5 into 1 plus a6 sin 4 into 0. So sin 0. What is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. So this term will vanish. So we will get a5 into 1. So a5 plus 2. Now what is the value of y0? 3. So 3 is equal to a5 plus 2. So a5 is equal to 3 minus 2. That is equal to 1. Now we have to get the value of a6. So for that we have to use the second initial condition, that is y dash 0 is equal to 11. So for using that we have to take the first differentiation of this with respect to t. So by taking the first differentiation of this solution with respect to t, we are getting y dash t is equal to, so there are two terms. One term is e to the power minus t, the other term is the term within the bracket. So first we are taking the differentiation of the term which is outside the bracket, so e to the power minus t. So the differentiation of that is equal to minus e to the power minus t. So we are getting minus e to the power minus t, then a5 cos 4t plus a6 sin 4t. Then we are taking the differentiation of the term within the bracket, then this term will remain constant. So then we can write plus e to the power minus t, then within the bracket we are taking the differentiation. So the differentiation of the first term. What is the differentiation of this? The differentiation of this is minus sin 4t. So again we have to take the differentiation of 4t. So minus 4a5 sin 4t. So minus 4a5 sin 4t. Then we have to take the differentiation of this term. So plus a6. Now what is the differentiation of sin 4t? First we have to take the differentiation of sin 4t. So differentiation of sin 4t is cos 4t. Then we have to take the differentiation of 4t with respect to t. So that is equal to 4. So the total differentiation value is 4a6 cos 4t. So 4a6 cos 4t. And then what is the differentiation of this 2? That is equal to 0. So this is the differentiation of first order differentiation of this solution with respect to t. Now we have to use this condition. So y dash 0 is equal to 11. So y dash 0, we can write here y dash 0. Then the first term here, this is minus e to the power minus t. So e to the power minus t is 1. So minus 1. So minus 1 here. Then within the bracket a5 cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So we will have a5 into 1. So then a5 into 1, then the second term will vanish. Then we have to consider this term. So now here again e to the power minus t, so e to the power minus 0, so that is equal to 1. Then within the bracket, what is the value? Value of this term, if we put t is equal to 0 here, in the first term sin 0 is 0. So then this term will vanish. In the second term cos 0 is 1. So we will have 4a6. So 4a6. And then there is a 0. So then ultimately what we are getting? We are getting y dash equal to minus a5 plus 4a6. So now we know that y dash is equal to 11. So in place of y dash we can write 11 is equal to minus a5 plus 4a6. Now we have already got the value of a5. And what is that value? The value of a5 is 1. a5 is equal to 1. So that we have already got. So we can put 1 here. So then 4a6 is equal to 11 plus a5. So 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. So a6 is equal to 3. Now we can write the specific solution. Now the specific solution is equal to yt is equal to a5 cos 4t plus a6 sin 4t plus 2. Then yt is equal to, now the value of a5 is 1. So cos 4t. So there is 1 e to the power ht here. Now e to the power ht is e to the power minus t. So e to the power minus t. Then cos 4t plus value of a6 is 3 plus 3 sin 4 plus 2. So this is the answer.